Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. Today's episode, we're going to be working on this guy right here. Yeah, so what we're going to learn is just the face shot, the front shot, and everything, but if you look very careful, it's going to be a little different than what I've shown in the past. It's going to be a little bit more technical, a little bit harder edge and everything. Simple, but a little bit more involved. So the step 1, 2, and 3 as always, but they're going to be a little bit more advanced for some of you folks, but that's good to challenge. I want to challenge you at some time. So if you have your pencil and paper, which I got my pencil right here, and you're ready to go, all right, let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I know it was challenging for some of you, and that's a good thing. Challenging is something that I want to really encourage you as an artist. If you want to really grow to become a better artist, don't always take the simple things. Take it to the next level. This wasn't super hard, but it might have been hard for some of you, and that is a great thing. So don't be discouraged in any ways. Keep your drawings, as I share with all my classes and all my classmates, and whenever I teach classes, I always say, don't throw out your artwork. That is a wonderful tool to see how you are progressing as an artist. Now, that being said, I hope that you enjoyed this lesson and stick to all my other lessons, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm excited that you're part of this adventure. As always, thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.